Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to start a new series, that is number problem series. Why to learn this number problem? Because it is very important for the interview purpose. If you are a fresher and you want to give an interview of tech, and the number problem is the one which is asked by every interviewer to know your logic behind that, how to solve number problem. So, if you want to master number problem in any programming languages, then you must watch this video, this series till end. If you watch this series till end and follow the process what I told to you, then you will master in number problem series, and you can solve any number problem in any of the interview. So, what are the number problems includes finding even number, odd number, prime number, palindrome number, Armstrong number, automorphic number, many like this. We have 30 to 45 questions in number problem. We will cover each and every number problem in different manner, how interviewer will ask this number problem. So, first of all, we go and start a number of even number. We know from the beginning of our school life, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. So, what is the common thing that these numbers have? The common thing is that these all numbers are divisible by 2. We can completely divide these even numbers by 2. So, when we divide any number with a 2 and it is completely divisible, then we get the remainder 0. For example, I have 2 as an even number. So, when I divide 2 by 2, I get the remainder 0. When I divide 4 with a 2, I get the remainder 0. When I divide 6 with a 2, I get the remainder 0. Uh, um, and when we divide any non-even number by 2, at, at that time we get the remainder 1. Something other than 0 we get the remainder. So from this common thing we can say, when we divide any number by 2 and if we get the remainder 0, then that number is an even number. So how to get remainder? How we know the remainder is 1 0? So to get remainder we have one operator, that is modulo operator, like this. We see the percentage operator na? The same thing is a modulo operator in programming languages. We don't say this as a percentage, but in programming language we said this as a modulo operator. This helps us to give the remainder of any number. When we divide one number with some other number and use this symbol, then we get a remainder of that number. If I show you, uh, so I have one number 5 modulo 2, then I get my remainder as 1. How? Just look, this is my number. With this is we are dividing the number. This is the number 5. Now this is 2. When I try to divide 5 by 2, then I get remainder 1. How? We know 5 does not come in 2's table. So 2 to the 4, we get 4 over here. When I minus 5 minus 4, then we get 1. Sorry, this is so not good. So I hope you get the point, how we are going to find any number as even number or not. So for that uh, we use the logic of modulo reminder. So let us learn how to write programming for finding an even number. For example, I have my n equals to 14. Now this is the number given by interviewer. Now he say, Fine, this is even number or not. So for that, write a program. How to do? Now my n is 14. I have to find my n is even number or not. For this, we have to write one program. So how to write program? I will not go from the basic. I will go how to write program. In any language, you can write this program. So the logic behind this is that now I have int n is equals to 14. Now I want to find that the n given to us is even number or not. So for that, what we do now, we will create one variable int a, int remainder. Okay, in that we do n modulo 2. Then we will using if condition, if else. I know you must know this, how to write if else condition. If my remainder equals to 0, then we can say that the given number is what? Prime number, even number. Ln n plus is an even number. Otherwise, we can say that else if my remainder is not 0, then we can say system.out.println n is an odd number. If number is not even, then we can say that number is an odd number. Odd number. So this is the thing how to this in programming language. So now my int n is 14. I want to find that n is even or not. So what I did, I create one variable of name reminder. In that I am performing modulo operator with that number. I told you how modulo operator works. So from the above example, you get to know when we divide any number with 2 and get a remainder 0, then we can say that number is an even number. When the remainder is not 0, 1, then we can say that number is an odd number. So from this from this logic, you can find that a given number is even or not. So that's for today. Thank you for watching this video.